Take out all the machine accessories. First, mount the machine on the stand. Attach the gasket. Align the holes. Secure it with screws. Repeat the same steps for the other side. Unfold the support frame. Then snap it into place to secure. Pull out the telescopic pole. Insert the metal pin at the desired height. Tighten the screws securely. Insert the machine into the bracket. Fasten it with screws. Take out the water pump. Connect the water pipe to the machine. Plug the water pump cable into the machine port. Align with the arrow, insert full. Tighten the waterproof cap. Prepare the consumables. Put the water pump into the consumables. Plug in the power cord. Adjust the angle of the machine. Open the valve. Start switch. The machine will start rotating. Foam will not be produced immediately. Wait for 20 seconds for the machine to start operating. Place the water pump in clean water. Lower the angle of the machine until no more foam is discharged and only water comes out. Then remove the water pump from the clean water. Then turn off the machine. The machine will not stop immediately. It will stop automatically after 20 seconds. Wipe off any remaining water with a dry towel and store the machine.